Hey, what is up guys, my name is George. Welcome back to my channel. This is another beard styling video, but this time it is my dad. I'm giving a full makeover to my dad in this pandemic. As you all know, in this pandemic we can't risk going outside, trying to do as much as things we can do inside. I'm starting off trimming my dad's beard with the clipper 12mm. So yeah, it will be only for the cheeks and just trim the cheek area. Keeping that beard long on your chin area and the mustache. And yeah, here the subscription part comes. So guys, please do subscribe. It's free. You won't be charged anything. It's for better cause, so that a small creator like me can make more videos. So why not hit the subscribe button and show your love, or just support a small creator. It really helps. In this video, I won't be touching the mustache and the chin to make the look as much badass as I can. And what you can do regarding the cheek beard, you can slowly, gradually reduce the clipper size and go with that. Because I'm trimming my dad's beard for the first time, I don't really know what will suit him. So I will be starting off the clipper with 12. Then I will gradually move it to 9mm. As you can see, in this time we are having a discussion. My dad wants to reduce the trimmer size and make it even shorter on the cheek area, which I won't suggest you to do it, but what can we do? Can't say no to Indian parents, you know. So yeah, I'm keeping my clipper size to 3mm right now and trimming the cheek area. That point of time, I don't know if it will look as badass, but hey, what can we do? We have to do it either way. Now watching the video and watching the look afterwards, I must say, like, it was a really badass look. I really liked it. I really enjoyed doing it. Please subscribe to this channel. If you don't want to click on the bell icon, it's absolutely fine, but do subscribe so that I can know that you guys are really enjoying this video. So here the beat drop. This is the final result that I pulled off. Like, thank God I didn't mess up that much. It's not perfect. I won't say it's perfect, but still it's a good look on my dad. But somehow I pulled it off, and it's not as perfect as I imagined it to be, but it was my first time trimming someone else's beard. I think it's a badass look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys watching my video, watching my content, giving me a like on the video. It really helps me a lot. So I love you guys for that. Please subscribe to this channel, because it helps a really small creator like me to get motivated to make more content, more videos like this.